How to hide Instagram chat without deleting it. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your Insta chats without having to delete it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you will need to take is open up your Insta first. Now if you head over to your DMs, you will see your DMs listed here, and if you want to hide any one of these, what you can do is you can send it to the general section. Now if you don't have the general section, that is because your account is a personal account. You will need to change it to a professional account. For that, you can simply head over to the three dots on the top line, the three lines on the top right, and then scroll down. After you scroll down, you should find an option that says account type, and after you find an option that says account type, head over there and then you can simply change your account to a professional account. There is a process for it, but yeah, it's a really simple process and you can get it done really easily. And after doing that, you can head back here. You'll notice a professional dashboard right here, and yeah, after doing that, you can head back here. Now to hide this very text, what I can do is I can swipe it right, tap on the three dots, or you will see this option right here. If I tap on it, it will get moved to general. Now it's not really here anymore. If I do it again, it's really easy. Now you can find all of these chats on the general section, and it's that simple. And that is how you hide Insta chats without deleting them. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.